gonna start with garlic, chopped coriander, tablespoon of mayonnaise, lemon juice, sauce, paprika, onion powder, black pepper, coriander powder, olive oil. Mix everything. That's the marinade. So I've taken 2 chicken breasts here. I'm gonna pour the marinade over. Coat the chicken really well. Now I'm gonna take my air fryer basket, put the chicken in there. This is gonna go in the air fryer 200 degrees Celsius for about 15 to 20 minutes. So we need croutons for the Caesar salad wrap, and I know that bread is used to make croutons, but I have some bagels, so I'm gonna use them. Just gonna chop the bagel. I put the bagel pieces into a cake tin because this fits in my air fryer basket. I'm gonna drizzle some olive oil on them, dried parsley, and some garlic powder or garlic granules, whatever you have. Now mix them up. This is how the chicken looks after 20 minutes. You can see all the juices. This is what you want. I want the chicken to be really moist and juicy. So now I'm gonna flip it. And I'm gonna air fry it 120 degrees Celsius for about 10 to 15 minutes on this side as well. So this is how the chicken looks, and it's perfectly cooked on both sides and very juicy. I put the croutons in there. These are gonna go in the air fryer 200 degrees Celsius for about 15 minutes, and make sure to shake them halfway through. The croutons are ready. I'm gonna take a wrap. I found this Caesar salad dressing in Aldi, so I'm gonna use that. So I'm gonna put the dressing first. Gonna spread it out. Gonna add some lettuce. I love fries in my wraps. You can, if you don't like them, you can just skip them. Then I'm gonna add the chicken that we made and the croutons, and I'm gonna try and wrap this, and I hope I can do it. Yep, so I've wrapped it. Now I'm gonna toast it. This is toasted. I'm just gonna wrap it in the foil so I can cut it properly. Just make sure to wrap it really tight. I'm gonna cut it in half, and that's your wrap.